Alright guys, we're going to get ready to do the mini. Top 4, get a spot in the main. Going to do it 3 times, 2 timestamps. Right there, copy our list. We will go live. The time is 5:15 p.m., 5:15 Atlantic. Go to our list, paste it in. Ends at Jamie, starts at Jamie. First time, Timmy on top. Second time, Anthony on top. And here is our first time stamp. Done at 5:15 again. 5:16 just changed. Third and final time, top 4 win. So we got Jeremy, Eric, Paul, and Lee taking a spot. Lee Reed. Congrats, guys. Nope. Get our timestamp here. So our final timestamp. Time is 5:16. 5:16 again. Top 4. Jeremy, Eric, Paul, and Lee. I'm just going to put you guys in order. Or actually, I'll leave you his pick, why not? And then we'll run the main. I'll tag you in the main, and we'll go from there. Congrats, guys.